Hey guys, welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. It's a beautiful winter day here. We're in the 40s, and as you can see, I've got a truckload of feed to unload. Most of this is horse food. We have Timothy pellets. This is horse. Of course, this is Gracie's special chopped hay. We do have some chicken food in here. I've been using this Powell's hen scratch here recently, and we're in the season where my chickens aren't laying super good because of the daylight hours, and I don't artificially light my coop. This hen scratch, I've noticed a difference in between this and the layer pellet. My hens are laying better. I mean, not like an astronomical amount of eggs or anything. They're still going to lay much less than they do in the summertime because it's their resting time, and I'm okay with that. But I did notice pretty quickly a difference when I switched to this scratch versus just the layer pellet. You know, going from like 2 eggs a day to like 9 eggs a day. So that's a big difference. I know I have a huge flock, and in the summertime I get 30 eggs a day. So it's still not a lot of eggs, but there was a noticeable difference. So I just thought that I would note that on there in case somebody here is in Arkansas and uses Powell feeds or has access to Powell feeds. I feed both the layer pellet and the hen scratch from Powell, and I do love them both, but I did notice a significant difference switching to the scratch. So duly noted. I'm gonna get this truck unloaded. Ma'am, unless you plan on helping, might I suggest you get out of the way? Thank you. Too bad you couldn't help though. Here is today's egg haul. Much better than just 2. Chocolate morsels are back at it. Or as my husband likes to call them, the milk duds. I'm rolling the broom shop trash can down. The trash guy comes tomorrow. An empty truck. Okay. 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 Puppy rescue. You missed the food chain. Okay. Where's the way-ups? You're welcome. Who's the best barn dog ever? I'm so glad you're home, sister. I'm so glad you're home. Yes, I am. I'm so glad you're home. What are you doing? Being crazy barn dog? Huh? Where'd she go? Oh, she went out the backside, I guess. I'm just out here cleaning stalls and she's like making laps and doing zoomies through the barn. It's getting pretty close to dark, so she's probably gonna head to the porch and sit on the porch. She knows at dark time I don't really like her out and about, so she goes up on the porch and sits on the mat right next to the door and waits for me to get done in the barn. Or she stays in here with me, but I think that's what that was. I think that was her coming in and telling me that, Mom, it's getting dark, it's time to go inside. What are you doing? Huh? Hey, what are you doing? Huh? Being a farm dog. Don't you go out there where it's dark. Naughty girl. You're a good girl, Miss Jose. Eat your dinner. I'll see you in the morning. Good night, y'all. Merry Christmas Eve.